What's going on, mine? For people who don't know, it's your boy Ife 4 times, and I hope you're having the best spring/summer time of your life. You feel me? Right now, it is actually getting hot in Russia. So I have some people ask me, can I wash my t-shirt in hot water? Should I use fabric softener when I wash my t-shirt? Can I wash my t-shirt with other clothes? Can I put my t-shirt in the dryer? How often should I wash my t-shirt? Well, today we will be talking, discussing, and I'll be showing you how to maintain and wash your vintage tees or your screen graphic printed tees. Okay, as a matter of fact, whatever tees you have. Also, I'm gonna be giving you laundry tips. I'm just gonna be giving out tips on the way. Okay, you feel me? Let's go, Mike. So the first thing I want to talk about, hand wash. Okay, underarm stain issue right here. So because my deodorant leaves white stain under my t-shirt before put them in the washing machine, I just use regular soap, like a multi-purpose soap, to gently rub the soap on the stains and wash it off before I even just throw it into the washing machine. You feel me? Also, always remember to check the label on your t-shirt before you just conducting any Breaking Bad experiment, before you kind of mess up your tea. So the next thing I want to talk about is the wash programs, because I feel like some people, they don't understand what wash programs are. So wash programs are on the control panel of the washing machine. That is where you can find different types of programs for your fabric or your clothes. We have cotton settings, we have delicate settings, we have heavy duty, we have wool, we have you name it. So it depends on your washing machine and what they offer. So the next thing I want to talk about is temperature. So most vintage tees, or like most t-shirts you see out there, they are made of cotton material. Cotton is known to shrink when being exposed to high temperature. When washing or even drying, they will shrink. It doesn't matter if the t-shirt is pre-shrunk, it will shrink when exposed to high temperatures during washing. So to prevent this shrinkage, it is important to wash your t-shirt in a cool or warm water. You feel me? So for most cotton t-shirt out there, a temperature of 30 degrees centigrade or 86 degrees Fahrenheit or even lower is recommended to prevent shrinkage. So keep that in mind. Another tip, so low temperatures, they also help maintain the color of your t-shirt, and also they save you energy, which is cash, when it's time for you to pay the bill. I'm giving out game right here, man. So basically what I'm saying is, washing your t-shirts at a high temperature is gonna fade the color. Well, for some people, that is actually one of the uniqueness of vintage tees, how faded they look. But in these terms, if you want to preserve the color of the tees, low temperature is advised. So another tip, if you want to fade your tees, what you need to do is you just gotta take your tees outside, just spread them under the sun, and just let the sun's UV light rays, yeah, that's what they call it. So you let the UV light rays shine on top of your tees, and that is just automatically gonna give your tees that natural faded look without shrinking your tees. You feel me? Now we're talking about spin cycle. It's also a good idea to avoid washing your tees using a high spin cycle, because this can potentially lead to shrinkage also. So basically, the higher the spin cycle, the less gentle it will be on your t-shirts. But the lower the spin cycle, the more gentle it's gonna be on your t-shirts. So detergent, I really don't know much about detergent. Personally, I use the Ariel capsule detergent for all my washing. Fabric softener, well, you can use fabric softener if you want to, but it's not necessary. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't use it. Washing your tees with other clothes, yes, you can wash your tees with other clothes, but be sure to sort your t-shirt by color and by material, so just to prevent color bleeding or fading. You feel me? So can I put my t-shirt in the dryer? I use a regular washer dryer. So this means it washes and dries your t-shirts in the same cycle. You feel me? But if you're using the fancy dryer, it is recommended that you set the dryer at a low heat, so to prevent shrinkage or damage to the fabrics. Get it? So how often should I wash my t-shirt? Well, it depends on how much you wear the t-shirt. It depends on how much you smell. It depends on how much you sweat even. Let's just say you finish playing basketball and you are sweating and smelling, stinking. Hell yeah, you gotta go wash the tee. Drying your t-shirts. So just hang your t-shirt on the rack like I do, that's all. It's not rocket science. So we have come to the end of the video, and I just want to say thank you for watching the video. So you can follow me on Instagram as Ife4times, and the Vintage Tee Instagram is BetterLook67. You can also follow me on Telegram or VK, whichever one you prefer. So spreading good vibes and positivity to everyone out there. So y'all go watch some tees, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, man.